like to talk about one thing, which is I made a very cool GPU-based indirect renderer. It all sounds very fancy until you realize that you don't really need most of it. I was working on a Victor renderer for about 3 days now, and then I realized I don't really need Victor graphics at all. I don't know what I'm doing. I only need lines, quads, text, and I don't even need MSDF text because I'm not going to scale my text beyond anything like 32 pixels for an HD screen resolution, so like 1080p. And since that's the case, I might as well just render it to a bitmap, maybe at different sizes, say 64 pixels, 32 and 16, just for scaling's sake. But that's really it. I didn't need depth sorting inside of the GPU either, because today I found out that you can just write the depth value in the fragment shader, and that's really it. So there you go. You solve that issue. Same for clipping. Clipping apparently can just be done in the fragment shader as well. I mean, I say apparently because it makes sense when you think about it, but you don't really think about doing it because you have this thing called GL set clipping region or something. I forgot the name of the function. But the point of the story is really all you need to sort the indirect draw calls for is the particular pipeline you want to call, and that's really it, because it saves you from calling different pipelines 100 times in a row. But when it comes to the actual fragments on the screen, you don't need to sort by anything because it's all just done on the GPU. So it makes me wonder, what have I been spending 3 weeks doing? Don't overcomplicate things. If you can achieve something in a simpler way, always choose a simpler way. Don't write extra code for a possible feature or idea you have. If you need to set the X position of a character, don't write the set the X and Y position of the character, because you're only using the X one, and the only person you're trying to prove something to is yourself for some reason.